Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to DMTV Kenya, your number one channel when it comes to Kenyan politics. And I expect that you stay in this conversation until the end. Political discussions across Kenya intensified after reports came about a secret meeting linked to leaders associated with the united opposition. The discussion, I can say that it quickly centered around Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Many analysts, they believe that could become influential in future political alignments. Madai kama haya ya mkutano wa siri yamesua mjadala mkubwa sana katika siasa za Kenya. Before I continue with this topic, I want to welcome those who are here for the first time in a special way. If you are new here, kindly take a second or two, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our deep political analysis. Na kwa wale ambao wamekuwa wakifuatilia DMTV Kenya kila wakati, asanteni sana kwa kuendelea kuwa sehemu ya mjadala huu wa kitaifa. Sasa nataka tuangalie mada ambayo imeanza kusambaa sana katika mijadala ya kisiasa. Madai ya mkutano wa siri unaohusishwa na mipango dhidi ya Fred Matiang'i. Tunajua Matiang'i is out of the country, and when any leader is out of the country anaposi kidogo siasa, na huo ndio wakati mambo mengi yanajitokeza. Kenyan politics has always been shaped by strategy meetings, consultations and behind the scenes negotiations. Many political decisions, they are often discussed privately before they become public. Kwa hivyo, mikutano ya siri katika siasa si jambo jipya kwa Kenya. When such meetings become public discussions, they often trigger speculation about political strategy and alliances. The name at the center of the conversation is Fred Matiang'i. Over the past few months, Matiang'i has remained a significant political figure in this country. His tenure as Interior Cabinet Secretary gave him a national visibility and influence. Watu wengi wanaona Fred Matiang'i kama mmoja wa viongozi ambao wanaweza kuwa na nafasi kubwa katika siasa ambazo zinakuja. Because of this reputation, any political discussions that involving Fred Matiang'i quickly attract the national attention. Observers say that political parties often analyze potential opponents long before the elections. They study the influence, they study the regional support and public perception. Siasa ni mchezo wa mikakati. And this is why the alleged meeting linked to leaders associated with Jubilee Party has sparked such intense debate. Political analysts, they note that the ruling parties often evaluate the emerging political figures. If a leader begins attracting the national attention, political strategies may begin planning how to respond. Kwa hivyo, madai ya mkutano dhidi ya Fred Matiang'i yanaweza kuwa sehemu ya ushindani wa kisiasa. Another factor that is fueling this conversation is the evolving political environment in this country. Although the next election may still be some months away, Political positioning often begins early. Leaders begin strengthening alliances. Leaders start consulting supporters and testing the political narratives. Katika siasa, maandalizi ya uchaguzi huanza mapema sana. Observers also emphasize that political speculation does not always reflect confirmed strategies. Sometimes discussions about secret meetings, they are driven by rumors. They are taken as a political message. Kwa hivyo, wananchi wanapaswa kuchambua taarifa kwa makini. The reason such stories gain attention is very simple. They highlight the intense competition shaping Kenya's political future. The political competition can involve messaging, can involve alliances and strategic planning. Kila upande wa kisiasa kujaribu kujipanga mapema. Another important element I want to talk about, and I've been talking in many of my conversations, it is the perception. Politics is not only about actual decisions, but also about how the public interprets the events. When discussions about secret meetings emerge, they often shape political narratives. Kwa hivyo, hadithi kama hii inaweza kuathiri jinsi wananchi wanavyowaona viongozi. Observers say the coming months may reveal whether the speculation surrounding this alleged meeting has deeper political implications. If readers continue positioning themselves politically, more such discussions may emerge. Siasa za Kenya zinaweza kuwa zinaingia katika kipindi kipya cha ushindani mkali sana. I want to end this video and say that the discussion about a secret meeting involving leaders linked to Jubilee na viongozi wa UDA and the political future of Fred Matiang'i highlights how dynamic Kenya's political environment remains. Whether these discussions reflect a real strategy or simply political speculation, it remains to be seen.